Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, it is entrepreneurship of class 12th. Our topic today it is marketing mix. Today, let us know what is marketing mix. Dear students, there are number of aspects which are involved in marketing a product. While we are just manufacturing a product, it has many aspects which we have to deal with while going through the marketing of that very product that we have manufactured or that we have got for sale. There are so many aspects. Some are controllable, we can control them, and others are uncontrollable. Variables are different. Some are controllable, we can control them, we can change them as per our as per the required our these choices, needs, desires. But while as others are uncontrollable, we cannot control them, they are beyond our control, we cannot we have no reach upon them. So these controllable and uncontrollable variables are there, but some variables, controllable variables, they are there. As we see that we have product, price, man, and retailers, advertisement. These are different things which we can control, we can change them as per our requirements. Just we go for advertisement, there is television, newspapers, and now at this time social network is there. We can go for advertisement with the help of these different kinds of things. But at the same time, an entrepreneur has to choose a mix of all these controllable things. He has to choose a mix of these alternatives that are controllable with him, and these controllable things, they can yield him a good return. He sees that how I can use them so that they can be utilized in a better way and they can give me good returns. So he goes for these things. In short, we say that these controllable variables, they can be summed up to use them in a better way to get the maximum returns from them. These are four constituents or four components making the marketing mix. These are product, price, promotion, and place. These are known as 4 P's: product, price, promotion, and place. Place, we can say it is physical distribution. Again, P, place or physical distribution. These 4 P's, they were introduced by Professor Neil H. Borden. Professor Neil H. Borden, Harvard Business School, and he has introduced all these 4 P's which depend upon our controllable variables while going through the marketing of a certain product. In prevailing world, these 4 P's have become very important while going through the marketing of a product in modern times. Every entrepreneur, every enterprise, every businessman, he concentrates only upon those 4 P's to have a better marketing and to have better results for his product, or to get or to have better a good profit of his product. In simple words, we can say that marketing mix, it is the tailoring of the product. Tailoring of them. Just a tailor goes for different things, cutting, or just knitting, or threading, or pressing. These are the different things which are involved from involved while going the tailoring of a certain cloth. So in this way, in the same way, this uh, this marketing of a product, it involves different things, different controllable variables: product, it is price, it is promotion, and physical distribution to reach the target customers. So in last chapter we saw that what is market segmentation. In segmentation, just we saw that we are dividing the market in different segments to reach our target group. So now target group, it is open. We know our target group, we know our customers, but we have to reach the customers. To reach the customers, we need the marketing mix. We have to concentrate on the marketing mix to reach our this target customer. So this marketing mix, it is dependent upon four components. These we have product, price, promotion, and place or physical distribution. But these four components, these depend upon different things. Just first is product. It has five these sets, or it has five components. Again, product, it is quality, it is design features, it is brand name, it is packaging, it is services. All these five things are related to the product. What? Quality, design features, brand name, packaging, and then we have services. Again, we have after this we have this price. Price includes list price, discounts, allowances, payment period, credit terms. These are five things which are related to the price. And then place. Place includes channels, coverage, assortments, location, inventory, transportation. These are different things which are related to place, because we have to get different channels to reach the place. We have to get the coverage from different medias. We have to get different ports or assortments. We have to get to location where we can reach. We have to give the different inventories, and then we have to get transportation or the transport facilities to reach the place. At the same time, the fourth P is promotion. When we are just knowing our target group, we have to, in promotion, we have different components, that is advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, public relations. These are four things which are included in promotion. So again, when we try to know our four P's, we can understand the marketing mix. So 4 P's help us to understand that how we can have a better marketing. When we have product, we say that product means a bundle of elements. This product, it consists of policies, procedures relating to the product time to be offered and services to be rendered. These are different things which are related to the product. It includes research, development programs, new product policies related to this product. So these are different things. Policies, procedures, developing programs, product policies, research, they are related to the product. This is the first P. Second, price. This includes price level, price specification, and price policy. These are different things which are related to the price. The second P. In simple words, price is the money customer have to pay to obtain the product. Simply we can say it is the money that a customer pays to obtain the product. Then we have promotion. Promotion means those activities that educate the buyers about the product. These are the activities of promotion. It is merits, it is strengths. These need to be known by the customer, and then and only then he can get the product. This it is meritus, it is strengths to persuade him to buy the product. So it includes special selling plans, devices direct at or through the trade form of devices for customers promotion and trade promotions. So all these things are included in heading of promotion. And then we have place or physical distribution. It involves the company's activities that make the product move from one place to another. As it is, these are the transportation. These are the activities related to get the product from or to transport the product from one place to another to reach our ultimate customers. In other words, we can say that includes the policy and procedures relating to the channels to be used between the plant and the customer. So there is a gap between the plant where our this manufacturing plant manufacturing this enterprise is located, and the last stage is the customer for whom we are preparing the product, or we can say the target group. So this entrepreneur has to select the different things from wholesaling, retailing, or the cooperation of trade. So because he has to reach to his target. So all these things from plant to the customer, these are known as the physical distribution or the place. So this is our marketing mix. We have discussed some of the things. Rest of the things you will know yourselves. This is enough for the day. Thanks.